right, how's it going? How's it going? I am so excited. My name is Darius. I am the owner of the nonprofit Gorilla Nature Inc. at gorillanaturinc.com. So here I have a plethora of products, as you can probably see. So I went online on Amazon.com and I bought this bundle, this amazing, awesome bundle. It's it includes the Nikon Z6 FX format, mirrorless digital camera body, and complete bundle with FTZ mount adapter. It's a 64 gigabyte XQD card. You have 2 extra batteries, dual charger, and accessories. I mean, it's ridiculous. Let me just show you guys what I got here. So far, you know, this is awesome in itself. You know, I can't believe it comes with like this photo video art suite, which comes with the Photo Mirage, Paint Shop Pro 2020, Video Studios SE 2020, the Painter Essential 7, and the Aftershock Pro 3. You know, I mean, this is just a bundle of editing software. Like, I can't believe it, and it's all included with the package. So here's the FTZ mount. You know, I mean, this is ridiculous. I can't even believe that you can get so much. And the total cost was $1,850. So the Nikon Z6 camera, right, by itself cost about $1,600. So I paid only $250, right, extra, to get all these extra perks, right? Because this mount is like, I think this mount itself, or the FTZ mount, is like $100 by itself. I mean, look, this is crazy. It comes with a camera bag. I mean, let's go ahead and pop this open. I haven't even looked at this camera bag. This is crazy that they would give so much, you know, for such a, this is like, and this is all through Adorama. You know, I'll post a link. If you look in the bottom, you'll see the link to this, to where you can find these products. You know, this bundle package. So, yeah, here we go. Boom. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wowzers, wowzers. So it's a slinger. You know, this is a camera. This is a camera carrying case. You know. Wow. Oh man, this is, what? Are you kidding me? That's incredible. So I don't know if you can see all that in there, but you know, you can see it has like little, it has places where you can put the products, you know, put your camera and everything in there. It has like a little side pocket right here. That's pretty clutch, you know, nice solid handle. Oh, another side pocket. That's great, you know. Carry some water bottles in there or something, you know. You know. Oh wow, this is crazy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh nice. It has a strap too. That's clutch. You know. Wow, that's great. So you can just put the camera in here, everything. That's awesome. I can't believe this. You know. It's Amazon. I mean, it comes with the. You also get this optics care cleaning kit, which is great. You know, like. Oh man, wow, that's crazy. I mean, I'm really into photography. I'm also into video, doing video films. So, you know, the reason why I even got this Z6 camera is because, you know, like I say, my business is a non-profit organization, a Christian non-profit at that, and I want to make Christian films. So, you know, this is going to give me an opportunity to do that. I mean, look, here it is. You got the XQD card, right? This is specifically because, you know, the normal DSLR cameras, right? They use the SD cards. You know, you have the SD cards and it uses those, right? But I guess this one's a little bit different. But here it is. You know, you got 2 charging plates. You know, I'm not really sure. I haven't used these before, but you know, I'll check that out. I mean, well, let's go ahead and pop it open. Why not? Let's check out one of these cameras. Might as well, right? Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, nice. So it's like a form, like an adapter or something like that. I guess this is an adapter to use with this right here. This is the actual, you know, you can see right here, this is the charging plate. you know, I don't really. But yeah, it even comes. I mean, this bundle has just about everything. I mean, I would highly suggest it. You know, I mean, you get 2 batteries, right? This is literally comes with 2 batteries. I mean, the camera itself already has a battery, so that means I have 3 batteries. The likelihood that I run out of, you know, I mean, that's incredible. Let me check this out right quick. Let me just open up these batteries. You know, we'll take a look at these. These batteries are from GXE. Oh, they're Green Extreme. Green Extreme batteries. I like the boxes. You know, let's go ahead and pop this open right quick. See what we got here. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, there you go. Hey. Boom, bam. There it is. All right. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. This battery is pretty much the exact same battery that I use, because I only use Nikon cameras. The camera that I'm recording off of right now is the D7000, you know, which is great. It has a what is it? I think it's a 24 to 70 millimeter lens on it, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I mean, this is great. You know, like I'll be able to, I guess I just connect this here. Yep, and it fits right in there. Boom, just like that. That's what it's for. And then I guess we plug this into this AC adapter, which is also from. Oh, it comes with this one comes with the LCD screen, which is clutch. This is the GXCH2 one charger for all your batteries. It's a dual charger port. Let's check and see what's in here. Let's pop this open, shall we? Okay, so this comes with an AC adapter. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Oh, I see. Okay, wow, this is crazy. Look at this. That's ridiculous. I mean, you can feel the weight. It's pretty good, solid product here, you know? Well, it has a USB port in it too, which is quite interesting. Let's see how that fits with this battery, huh? So I guess you just put it. The wrong way. I think I'm going the wrong. Wait, no, that's the right way. Oh, I see. Boom, that's it. And it's in there. You just slide it in, boom. You know, wow, look at that. A dual charging port. You know, I've only had a single dual charging port, but you know, because these batteries, it's, you know, the Nikons, they all use the same batteries. You know, like, like it's crazy. So now I have, you know, I probably have like, I don't know, with these 3, I got like 7 batteries. You know, so the likelihood that I run out of, it's very unlikely. You know, so another thing that comes with is this cuff. It's like a wrist wrap for your camera so you don't drop it. Let me see here. You can probably see that. I'm not sure if you can, but you know, this is pretty chill. Let's go ahead and pop that open. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can see the product right there. You know, it's pretty you know, pretty simple. I guess you just wrap that around your wrist and then, you know, you're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that it comes with. You know, I mean, that's ridiculous, you know, all for $1,800. And I mean, this is this is a great quality camera. I specifically bought the Z6. I know they have the Z6 II currently, right? But you know, I didn't want to pay an extra $500, right, to get a camera that, you know, you're only buying the camera body for one, right? And it's not like you're getting a lens with that for the $2,000. And the only thing really, the real big difference is you get one extra slot for the, you know, for the memory. Like you get one extra memory slot. I was like, I don't know. I didn't really think that it was worth spending that extra money when I could get all of this whole bundle, right, for $1,800. You know, I think this is definitely a great buy. You know, all of this stuff here. I mean, you've seen it. I got 2 charging plates, 2 batteries. You know, I got a dual charger. You know, I got the Pro Optics Care cleaning kit. You know, for cleaning the lens and I mean, this is next level. You know, it comes with the FTZ mount. You get the Nikon Z6 camera. I mean, everything included in one bundle. And you know, and then we can't even forget about the suite here that it comes with. I mean, this is just incredible deal. Hey, anyway, thank you guys for watching this review video, or I'm sorry, unboxing / review of all these great products that are here. You know, I'm really excited to, you know, get this together. So check out, you know, hopefully you like my channel. If you, you know, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and yeah, you know, keep checking out. You know, my next video is going to be the unboxing of this Nikon Z6 camera. I'm really excited, and the FTZ mount. I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you the quality difference of this Nikon mirrorless 4K video camera. I am so excited. I can't even explain to you guys. But hey, check out my next video. Please also go check out our website. You know, we have a clothing line. It's Gorilla Nature. You can see I got the shirt on here. You know, please go check that out. You know. Sorry if I made too much noise, you know, because I moved the mic, but you know, hey, check that out. Yeah, thanks for listening to this video. Catch you guys later.